not
That is impossible.
Yeah.
Not alone this 150 meters.
They should from here 0 point, then here, then should, the border, the fencing should be like that. Then we will get this river and land also.
UMP ke Shillong Dr. Ricky Andrew Jason kon lahir syakibri badon hakaput ke India ke Bangladesh kibla temu ban ke China sia klempat don ke nyi penbet ke batikana. Kini jika ki hab atan Jalia Kola Sankat ke West Janti Hills hapo ke Amarem subdivision. Ban poi sini jika UMP rengkat ke nang song ki BSF at ki breu kasroka kila hab ban syong daga ling baki yai kijat sia kita gibri. Hadin belawan jurib UMP alumni ke jingalang hapdang kita jaka kinolam sinong bar ki breu soka di belawan mi khmat dau ka SDPU area komanda BSF bat kiwei ban sengap daragi skor ya ka daud temra jong ke jingkut jingnam ke bawah yu priang halo ke jing temu ka soka India lembaga company ban sina jubor ya ka surak ban ke China lembaga beri kuai beri tempau klem ka jing tip ka jing menjul kita jaka ya kan yu Dr. Ricky oleh jurib hak ap nai teri kalengkot ajar penriu Dr. Ricky ula ong ba ka jingwan jingok jong seketika jaka kalong hadin ba yo ya ke jingut nagi pait ba ketika tan ki basa akaput nama bakin sadu ya ki beri ki basa rada ke China klem da pej benia ula ong ba ka company NBCC Bayo ban ke China ka temu ban ke si kilometer sepo usirolan sa India bat kani kan pendu ya ki jaka puta jong ginong rep bajur bha kajing temu kajing let jurip jong kalong ru ban ya kren ban penbej ya kani jing jong ki paj ba
It is 150. People should come on the side to not sit in the room.
Three.
Gading bahaya bahasa.
Zero. Big three, no?
Okay.
Below that one, and then one is
Two pillar में there
someone
no
here.
main pillar
No. R pillar
uh,
is somewhere here.
river
River
pillar
Yeah. Reference pillar. And this side already submerged.
This has a good tourism potential.
Of course.
River beach.
Bangladesh
Ini video sama lagi. Ya kan ni watang hapok pergi ni haput.
0 point. 0 point. Reference point.
However, the NDC now it was like 900 something.
Almost 1 kilometer.
Almost 1 kilometer.
kene rin seperti sar de nem chua kene ka jaka hang ne de ka jong ki jong jibreu India te how khat khandai spa san thun riu mula wan thung gini gitla kabala wan thung gini gitla hila do no gitla ki kot gitla ki diam hila do no gitla sa tang ka Zimbabwe ba ke dinyo dia om don su temen ta la de ki yo ban le ko tum ta kan sa tang ka Zimbabwe om don ka to ga hila do
Earlier, this also belongs to our people.
om don kita ki ba nong yalam ki ba pek ya kata gaji yang liar jong
When they did the demarcation, they put this.
So once upon a time we already lost, and now again another time also we will lose again. Two times, 3 times. And then who will bear for us?
Telah kolong kepala te sarkar ka lala ban ya keren te sar don ki jakate kumba kwa ka si IB ban ya pembek yo put sam don ki jakaka ne de ka jong ka bagan jong ka Bangladesh garden ko department forest ka don hak kita ki jakaru ki bangla ka India ban ya pendon kam kene ka jakaru ka sarkar ka sendinge bha Terus lagi lah banyak bujeli yang gini ki pilar na unang way in penduk yo tau san unri uru jong ke India hang te utaru ya sa jiro kum
Zero point is that side.
Huh?
That side is 0 point.
You can take the 0 point also. This is also high. But the villagers are giving this objection, not this part, no? And one pillar is here.
From here.
Yeah. You see, sir. Now you see the river is coming here like this, no? That is the ID line. And now from here you turn that side, no? So like this. And river goes like this. And it goes again like this. So we are here actually. And now this is the land border, riverine border, and this also riverine border. Again the border turn this way. Towards this side, no? This Jantia Hills. So the problem is here, one pillar is there, 1301.
1301.
Yeah. 1301, no? So from here to here, 150 will be,
Yeah,
it's coming around this tree line, no?
so we get a lot of
Yeah.
this land will belong.
And
to
then
us.
this part, no?
Yeah.
This part is the island, not this side,
Yes,
you
yes,
see.
yes.
Now, what is the survey they did before, no? They are going to fence, do the fencing along this river course.
No, then
Not,
it's wrong.
not along this 150 meters.
They should from here 0 point, then here, then the border, the fencing should be like that. Then we will get this river and land also.
And then the river, this one, no?
Ah.
Fencing already coming from this side already. From here, no, the bridge has already approved. But this one proposal hasn't given because the fencing was proposed to come along this
That is
one.
wrong.
That is what the locals are giving objection.
Which is very valid.
So, of course, even me also, I feel valid, but I don't know. Those days, no. We're not the one who did the mistakes.
No, they
Construct the bridge, and if they have to construct it, even huge expenditure.
See, from here,
come here, so we get Shibun. Ngawan sila no, taka jing smoke here. Taka jing suk here, ya jing long jing man. Aga day but kini ki riu ki jong ik basong shabo ki kaput. Aga pang idon shibun ki jing duna shibun ki jing deko. Te namar aga jing sotu hi ki jong but kadi ban long hi jong baro hi. Bahangi kren ye kinu ki bede bagi jaka puta ka bahi bagi wan bet sha katu ka jaka bet ka badon kata ka jing ka badon kami ka jing pen bet te bade lord jong kata hiru bangawan da kata ka adien ba kidon kini ki parlok ki jongi ki ba shong basa si sepo kapot ki ba ki pen pawi ki jing ki jing sokhya ke jongki pat se wat hadu kata ka jing do nong ka jongki lada sarkar India ka kumbaga thumu bansna ya taki mai ki kira ki jingker yo nu khaput pat kada ka jingker ka bakhlam da pet banya khlam da bishar banya ki kumbaga wan mentan hangni udon tu ki baki ong u tau 0 point way lie not real mo way lie not way lie not way lie not way warna hangdi kiba Siliang kari ke jong India Siliang jong ka Bangladesh te kai ka bakidi banle kalong now to 0 point ki ong bakidi ban shna ye kata ka jingker kumba shispa sanpho yat mo shispa sanpho yat ni shispa lai pho mi ta kum tokat pade kama shispa sanpho kata ki kendon balabu dan rek ka bungi asu kalong ba kata ka NBCC kani ka company ka bari bansna ya kani ka unu ban care to put jongkar India kamot ban ker mrei sispa sanpho mrei kumbajan 10 kilometer nau ta u point but ada gale kom ta kanong kajing do nong ya kini ki try snong kini ki bedon sedin jonga ki lengkha ki jong ki bri ki jong ki te kom kini ke gim dei ban ni de ban nim dei ban sha te kum ta kata di ko bai te bat ngi snoru na kalyang jong kadi ki kita ki prashnong ki ba ban pau ya kajing bam snopun ka jong ki halor ki jing ya kren ya bede bat ban ayon ka ya ta ka mo kita ki jaka na kum ta ko bai tu surok na ta ban snai ta ka fencing te ki don ki jing bam bet hang turu te bat na so ta ka jing wan ka jonga ngayo snow ya kita ki jing but snow jong kini ki bat no shong snom ya kata ka jing bom skohun jong ki bat ka jing bom bet jong kita ki bor penyat ya kani ka bede bat kani ka bat snai kini ki fencing ni kita ki jing ger te kumta da ka ba ngawan hi bat ban i le jong ki khmat snow le jong ki score na snow ba ki kat ki bor ki badi pet ya kani nadu ke district administration nangta pada kini ki bor snong kani ke NBCC kini ban wan dala dia ban pet tinga so ba ke NBCC ka ong ba namar bandash na ta shispa sanpho yat ba ki ong kan don ka jinglut ka ba kraw dak namar ki hapan snai ka jingking balengin perkhat ya kata namar na ka banta ka jing mentoy jong pat ba te hari ban hapan sna ki hapan sna ya kata ka jingking kamat de kat bade nomor kadi ka hok ka jong pai ba bat anong ye phi he jing pai chunga kani ka jaka phla bani i kani ka jaka ka ba lada ni nyem yata mo ngindu no kat kani ka bolong ka la ka ban jingker khu ka ba se wat ka kam jingok kai ha ka kam mo ka ban kani ka do kha nang ni ki la ban yo bat ki don ki lengkha ru hang ni ki bangala i dei jong ki khmat te de namar ka ta na kalyang ka jonga da ka jing smokia bat ka jing smokit kle na wan ban pet bat na kalyang ka jonga ngan persangkat bala bade kren bat kita ki bade pet ban khmi ka NBCC ka district administration wat apok kan ki pratli ki snong ban penbet bat u daloi uba nge so ka ton ka jing bam ya snok tho jingmut te an persang nagaliang jonga kat pala pan penbet ya kan ye khnang ba ke ka bangile kan long ka jing man toy lang ya baro ba kanum dai ban don ka jing du yeno mo rei kan long ka jing man toy lang ya baro ka ka baga kwa ban kan tu ya community ngam tip lo DC la wan hi te jong ki ban pet te jong ki khmat ani la ban pha de kinu ki officer ke jong u tangba ka badon kam kalong ban pen tikna bai ka fencing wa kin le be ida na po to 0 point tangba nga so thu ka taru kalum long ka basuk ten rei kat kum ki kandon chispa sanpho yat mo kata di ko bai te bat haga bede ba kata ka jing pamya jing pher jing mut hapadeng daloi bat kita ki prashnong so ba hawat ka don mentang ki ong bala ai se ka yeng bisar ban penbet manu kita ki try jong ta ka jaka te ya ka tharu haji sisa kam nei ka kam ka ba e ya ka ban penbet namar nas kat ko mi jing tip i jonga ko ma ki snem kha khandai spa khandai pho aga por ba kisnai to surok na muktapur adu nika jalia khola ne jalia khola ka badon kumba khat san point pra kilometer te haga to ko por kidon kitu ki try bri ki yo eka compensation like not kitu ki jaka ki bam don kita ki try lani ki bam don kanonu ka jing rap te kumta katu ka compensation kaya no shaka sudah lai la ni sha ka ilaka te la da hago ko por ke don te bale menta ban ong ba de wan yo sngo ba kim don try te kalong ke ka bangi kabam snow shy ham ta te ngaso ka district administration pat ka kita ka yang pisar ne kat juga baka ka district administration kala IT bahkan pet banyak kita pan let's ke history pan pet namala daman shwa ki don kita kitrai jaka kum no mentakim don shu te kita ki ba ngan sa pensyai ngan sa grand pat kini ki bor juga district
Terima kasih.